Here by Allen's Aquarium, Route 1. Testing out some pockets. Ooh, nice. They're doing it all. They crush it. Well-oiled machine. Well-oiled tub of meats. There it is. Streaming live back to Boston. Out here at Allen's Aquarium. Right here at Brooks in good old Lincoln. Premium. Dollar tacos, homies. Art box over there. Maybe we'll go hit that. We usually go over Ross over there, find some heaters, make some DIY jackets. Cool wall. Little sideways for Foley. It's for your juice box. Oh, that widescreen does look good. And the lube check movie we'll have to shoot here, but we'll do it at night. Oh yeah, at night. Keep it herbal. LA Grays. Make this the year. Peace.